for returning back to Jensen, and this they're returning also to Matalam. Ayan. Preparing everything, going home to Matalam ba? Ang bata nagkapit sa yung mother. Oh, wow. Tingnan nyo guys, malinis na kapaligiran. Ayan. Malinis na ang kapaligiran. At kami ang magtra-travel kami guys. I'm going to travel for home. Yes. Ayan po. Uy, abigutan na, wala pati mo nagising. Okay guys, what's for more?